Hey ma'am, I am Rager E. Isyang. Welcome. Today we will explore Western Visayas, one of the most culturally vibrant and naturally beautiful regions in the Philippines. Think of this lesson as a friendly tour where we learn not just a fact but meaning behind these festivals, attractions, and places. Production. Western Visayas is one of those regions in the Philippines that feels like storybook, full of color, tradition, and natural wonders. It is home to world-class beaches, especially the iconic Boracay, known around the globe for its powdery white sand. The region continues to grow as a tourism hotspot supported by major airports like Iloilo International, Calibo Airports, and Bacolod Silay Airports. The region is composed of six provinces, which is Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, and Iloilo, and also Negros Occidental. Each province brings its own identity from culinary traditions to festivals and natural wonders. Tourist access and infrastructure. We have airports, Iloilo International, Calibo International Airports, Bacolod Silay Airports, seaports and ferry services, hotels, resort and accommodation. Now, festival and events. So, Western Visayas isn't just a place, it's an experience. The festivals here show the heart and spirit of the people. Ati-Atihan festivals, often called the mother of all Philippines festival. This celebration honors the Santo Tomas. People paint their faces with soot and dance in the street to lively drum beats, mimicking the traditions of the indigenous people. It is joyful, loud, and full of energy. One, we have Dinagyang Festival. This is another grand tribute to the Santo Niño but with its own unique Ilonggo style. Expect bombing drums, synchronized choreography, and vibrant costumes. Dinagyang truly shows the creativity and discipline of the Ilonggos. One, we have Mascara. Born out of a difficult time, Mascara symbolizes hope, resilience, and joy. Local wear, smiling mask, and bright costume to show that the city of smiles chooses happiness even in adversity. We have Binirayan Festival, a cultural festival that reenacts the arrival of the 10 born-in datos, a legendary part of Panay history. Through parades and performance, people celebrate their rich heritage. Next one, we have Manggahan Festival. If you love mangoes, this festival is paradise. Guimaras celebrates its world-famous sweet mangoes through fairs, contests, and endless serving of fresh fruit. Now we're going to tourist is attraction. Western Visayas is a treasure chest of natural beauty from river clear as a glass to mountains calling hikers and adventurers. First one, we have Boracay Island. Famous worldwide, Boracay offers soft white sand and calm turquoise waters. Whether you want relaxation or nightlife, Boracay delivers both. One, we have Islas de Gigantes, a group of remote island filled with limestone cliffs, caves, lagoons, and secret beaches, perfect for those who crave adventure and tranquility away from crowds. Next, we have Bugang River, known as the cleanest river in the Philippines. Bugang River is quiet, refreshing, and ideal for nature lovers. The water is so clear you can see the river bed like glass. Next one was we have Mount Madjaas, a majestic mountain often covered with clouds. It's favorite among climbers because of its challenging trails and breathtaking views from the summit. Next one, we have Mount Canlaon, one of the country's most active volcanoes but also beautiful mountain destination. It attracts hikers seeking adventure and thrill of climbing one of the tallest peaks in the Visayas.